Which is the better home for your money, M1 Finance or Robinhood? Two titans of the modern investing world, both offering commission-free trading, but they couldn't be more different in how they approach your financial journey. Robinhood revolutionized the game with its sleek, mobile-first design and zero-commission trades, making investing accessible to everyone. M1 Finance, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for long-term, automated, and diversified investing. Before you decide where to park your hard-earned cash, let's break down the key differences. Trading style, active versus automated. The biggest difference comes down to your preferred style of investing. Robinhood is built for the active trader. It offers real-time trading of stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies with no commission. Its interface is designed for quick, decisive action. If you enjoy checking prices throughout the day, trading on market news, and managing your positions constantly, Robinhood is your platform. It offers instant execution and options trading, making it a favorite for those looking for maximum control and flexibility. M1 Finance is the polar opposite. It's built for the passive, long-term investor. Instead of individual trades, you invest in what they call pies, which are customizable portfolios of stocks and ETFs. M1 automatically manages and rebalances these pies for you, ensuring your investments always align with your target allocations. They only offer 1 or 2 trading windows per day, actively discouraging the kind of impulse trading Robinhood encourages. If you want to set a strategy and forget it, M1 is the clear winner. Fees and account types. Both platforms boast $0 commissions for stock and ETF trades, which is great. However, they differ in other offerings. Robinhood is pretty straightforward. Its core offerings are free, but they do have a premium service, Robinhood Gold, which gives you access to margin investing and higher interest on your cash, for a monthly fee. M1 Finance takes its commitment to long-term wealth building further. Beyond basic investing, it offers a suite of financial products that integrate seamlessly. This includes M1 Spend, a checking account, and M1 Borrow, a low-cost, flexible portfolio line of credit. If you want to consolidate your banking, borrowing, and investing, M1's comprehensive ecosystem is a huge advantage. They also support a wider array of account types, including IRAs and trust accounts, which are essential for serious retirement planning. The verdict: who wins? So, which one should you choose? If you are a hands-on investor who wants to actively trade individual stocks, experiment with options, and have instant execution at your fingertips, Robinhood is your platform. It's perfect for beginners wanting to dip their toes into the market and those who prioritize simplicity and mobile accessibility. If you are a long-term builder who values automated investing, portfolio diversification, fractional shares, and a cohesive financial ecosystem, M1 Finance is the undeniable choice. It's the smarter, more disciplined platform for building serious wealth over decades. Ultimately, the better platform is the one that aligns with your financial goals and your investing temperament. Choose the one that helps you stay on track, whether that's through active engagement or disciplined automation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.